Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you have seen my previous videos, if not, my name is Shauna. I am a New York City based fashion model and lover of makeup. This is my second look that I'm filming today, and I'm really excited because it's been a while since I've really done like a more wild look. I feel like most of the looks that I've done lately have been fairly tame, and even if they've been colorful, like it hasn't been like that fully bold me that I love. So I'm sitting down with the Kaleidos Club Nebula palette, which is in collaboration with Angelica Nyquist on YouTube. She's one of my favorite YouTubers. I love that she uses color in a fun way, and they did such a good job, Kaleidos and Angelica, creating this palette. I love this color story. I used it for my Valentine's Day look that I posted, and I did have every intention of putting that tutorial up, but I just ended up missing the mark with that as far as like posting it at a reasonable time. So I decided, why not just create a new look? And honestly, the Valentine's Day look I did was a little more pulled back, especially with all the options that you have in this palette. So I thought, why not just create a new one, use even more colors. I did use a fair amount of colors when I did that look, but it definitely was more toned down. And what I love about this is it has a nice mix of light tones, mid tones, and dark tones. So you can really create depth with this. And I want to play around and using some of the shadows like more on the face too. And I definitely feel like I'm going to do actually the other look I did today was a look where the eyeshadow blended in with the blush, but I want to do that in a way where it's more dimensional with colors. That was like more a single tone. It was very tonal. And so I want to do that with using many different colors on my face and definitely go more alien. So yeah, without further ado, let's just get started and get the tutorial going. The first shade I'm going to be going in with is called 7 of 9, and this is a matte blue. It's kind of a robin's egg blue, and I'm placing this in the intersection of the eye and basically taking it all the way up to the brow. And I'm taking it about to the midway point of the brow. And I brought the color down the bridge of the nose a bit to create a bit of a contoured effect. And now I'm going in with the shade Queen of Blades, and this is a matte kind of bluish green shade. And I'm taking this in the outer V, and then I ended up extending it pretty far out. I winged it up, and then I just in the moment felt like bringing the color up along the temples, basically the sides of the face too, and it created this really cool, definitely much more alien effect. And at this point I was just kind of going back and forth between a regular blending brush and a bigger face brush. And then I took the shade Firefly, which is a shimmery green kind of topper shade, and basically used that as kind of a highlight around the brow and on the intersection where I was placing the darker blue color. And now I'm just going in with the shade Rock Hopper, which is a deep matte purple, and placing that on the lid. It's going to be the base for the shimmers that I put over. And first I'm going in with Astro as a shimmer color on the lid, and now for the intersection I'm taking the shade You're My Only Hope. And this is going faster than usual with my tutorials because I was so in the zone that I was kind of blocking my face for a lot of this. So now I'm going in with the shade Red Giant, which is a matte red shade, and I'm placing that below the eye and then just really blending that out. And now I'm going in with the shade Nebula, which is a peachy base with a pink shimmer. And then on the inner eye, I'm taking the shade Celestial, which is kind of a tricky shade to describe. And then I'm taking the shade Void, which is a deep matte navy blue, and I just felt like creating dots on the face with this. And now for blush, I'm going in with Double Down Cosmetics The Standard. It is a gorgeous coral shade, and I pretty heavily applied this because I really wanted it to pop. And now between the blush and eyeshadow, I am taking the shade Gravity and just blending that together. And then I'm going to go over that again with the blush just to make it more prominent again. And now for highlighter, I'm going in with the Fortune. I actually meant to use the light, but the Fortune actually ended up being really, really pretty on top of that. And then I'm just creating a small triangle with the Equation highlighter. It's a little hard to see, but I put it between the brows. And then I just curled my lashes, did mascara, and now I'm going in with Anastasia Insomniac lipstick. And over that, I am going to go in with the Kaleidos Lucid Lip in the shade Hypnotize. And it ended up creating this cool purplish gray tone, mixing that green with the red violet gloss on top. Completed look. I just went wild today. I wanted to do something more out there today, and that's exactly what I did. It's definitely a more alien look. I am honestly so happy with how it came out though. It's been so long since I've done makeup outside of the normal parameters of you put this color here and you put this color on the cheek and whatever. I just wanted everything to just like be all over my face, and I didn't plan on like pulling the blue up to the forehead, but I'm so happy that I just went with it, because ultimately makeup should be fun. It shouldn't be like, oh, but I have to look like this, or this person isn't gonna like if I do my makeup this way. I don't like doing makeup that way. I like doing makeup for me and doing what's gonna make me happy, and that's what I encourage everyone to do. So yeah, I hope you like this look, and definitely like, comment, subscribe below if you are, well, comment below if you like this kind of content. Let me know what part of this look you liked most, what you would like to see next, and I hope wherever you are that you are safe and well. And until next time, well, I just said what I normally said out of order. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. Take care. Bye.